Stand by for dispatch. Gates open, they're up and racing for the 38th running of Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office Presidential Gold Cup. One horse was left behind, and that's Shining Fame. As they pass about the last meters, we have entry number 2, Heaven Sent in command, running on the outside, Ibarra, then followed by Go Army. From the D-Mark Enterprise is right here, right now by the Real Livelihood. Then comes entry 5, and that's Native Land. And yes, Pogi is bringing up the rear as they leave the straight. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. Heaven Sent running by the rail. Ibarra is on the outside as they round to the 3/4 mile distance. Ibarra in command by 3/4 of a length lead. Heaven Sent is running by the rail. Go Army racing in third, racing in fourth, right here, right now, Native Land, Livelihood, and yes, Pogi is running in behind them with 12 to 13 lengths from back to front. Ibarra this time by about 4 lengths, running in second is Heaven Sent, racing now in third, Go Army right here, right now is by the rail fourth, and running on the outside, fifth, Native Land. Yes, Pogi running second last and Livelihood past the last 600. We have the defending champion Ibarra this time by about 7 lengths. Racing in second, Go Army right here, right now. Yes, Pogi now running in fourth as they race to the last 450. Ibarra still leading the field by about 3 lengths. Right here, right now, moving up together with the long gray Guadalupe. Yes, Pogi moving up on the outside. We have 3 runners fighting out. Yes, Pogi this time by about 3 lengths over. Right here, right now, Go Army. And finally, yes, Pogi bagging the 38th Presidential Gold Cup. Right here, right now, Go Army. Ibarra, Native Land, Heaven Sent, and Livelihood.
Partner
Ano
Barry.
talaga eh.